All right, so as you can see, gang, the market's about to close at 5 o'clock. It's 4:30 p.m. right now, and price got all the way to take profit 8. And we had our trend line, we had our Fibonacci, and price did break take profit 7 area and go to 0.382, and we thought price was going to go to take profit 6. Our next level would have been take profit 6 area. We trade take profit to take profit level, take profit 7, take profit 6, 27 extension. We have our Fibonacci, goes past 0.7, 0.78, it'll go to 0.618, it'll go to 0.5, 0.382, and then we should see price go to 0, and then 27 extension, take profit 6 area. It didn't do that. Once price got to 0.382, it reversed it back up and headed all the way back up to take profit 8. And we're going to break this move down now. So this would happen. Price got to 0.382, and I seen price get to 0.382, and it started consolidating. And I knew price. We could possibly still be in an uptrend, as we're still in an uptrend. As we're still in an uptrend, as you can see. I'll scroll back. We're still in an uptrend. Price is making what, higher highs. It just retested back down to 0.382 before making what, a higher high all the way back up to take profit 8. From take profit 7, it just retested and then it headed all the way back to take profit 8. And I'll show you that as well. Price was just retesting, just like here. Price was just retesting. We're still in an uptrend. As you can see, price will make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, and then what? Make a higher low before what? Making a higher high. So I'll show you again in this example. Price will make structure. This is extremely important for your psychology. That's why we're going over this again. So when we're in an uptrend, price will make what? Higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs all the way up to take profit 8. Price retested at take profit 7 and made a higher low, and then made a higher high to take profit 8. Boom, take profit. As soon as we get to take profit 8, we take the profit, we get out the trade. All right, so let's go back to this so I can show you this again of what price did. We're still sticking to our trading strategy. And I'll show you that as well. I just wanted to show you some trading strategy for downtrends, as I thought we were in a downtrend. And we draw our Fibonacci, in take profit 6 area, and price didn't go to take profit 6 area. We was just retracing. So price, will make structure. Like I said, price will make structure, make a higher high, higher low. When price makes this higher low, you could have gotten great trade 1 and trade buy, and this is the trade you was trying to swing trade all the way up to take profit 8. You was trying to swing trade this February the 10th, and at great swing trade this trade, and price stops you out at take profit 2. From take profit 5 to take profit 2, goes past trade buy 1 and great trade 1 and gets you out. Goes past trade buy 1 at 1838 and great trade 1 at 1825 and goes all the way down to 1820 at take profit 2. You was trying to swing trade this trade, and you have to be very patient with this market. As this didn't happen February 10th, February 11th. This move did not happen until February 11th, 2 days later, from February 10th to February 11th, from February 11th to February 11th. Take profit 7. This was the trade you was trying to swing trade. I just wanted to show you this, go over that again, as sticking to our trade strategy. It worked. You get in once price, you get in for a buy once price makes a higher low. As you would try to get in, you could have gotten for a buy once price made this higher low and rolled this from 1825 to 1843. But you got in at trade buy 1, and you're trying to ride this all the way up to 1841. You're in profit, and then price shoots past your trades as you're trying to swing trade this, being greedy. A lot of factors come in when you're actually trading in this market, and you're actually trading with your live money. A lot of factors start to come in, and you have to be and you're trying to swing trade this trade, and you just ended the swing trade February 10th to February 11th. It stops you out, and your broker takes all your money. And when you have to be patient with this market, as the next day you could have gotten that great trade 1, February 11th and trade buy at 1825 and roll this all the way up to take profit 8. All the way up to take profit 8. As price can, as we know, as we said, price could go to take profit 8. Price got all the way to take profit 8, and you're in profit the whole time from 1822 all the way up to 1875. Extremely important. Stick to our trading strategy and wait for price to just make a higher low. If you would have just waited one more day, a day or two, you could have swung traded this from 1820, 1821, 1825 all the way up to 1875. And the price is now at 1869. As the market closes at 5 o'clock, prices, starting to, as we're starting to see, as we seen at take profit 7, price is starting to lose momentum, and we no longer see yellow candlesticks. We starting to see black candlesticks smaller. We starting to see black candlesticks, letting us know that buyers are losing pressure and starting to become exhausted after after this major uptrend from take profit 2 all the way to from great trade 1 all the way from take profit 2 all the way up to take profit 8. So this was a trade you were trying to swing trade. You had to be extremely patient. If you would have waited just another day from February 10th to February 11th, you could have swung traded this all the way up to February 14th, 2022. From February 11th to February 14th, 2022, you could have swung trade this, and depending on your lot size, this could have easily been, um, you know, 50 grand, 100 grand, 200 grand, easily, a couple thousand, easily 10 grand, 20 grand, easily, if you just would have waited and been patient and allow price to continue making structure all the way up to take profit 8. As you know, we're still in an uptrend. I knew price was still in an uptrend after seeing price didn't go to take profit 6. I knew price was still in an uptrend. As you know, price was just retesting back down before making a higher high, making a higher low, and making a higher high all the way up to take profit 8, 1874. And now this is the highest point price has been at this year, is at 1874, February 14th, 2022, take profit 8 area. And now we're at take profit 8 area. All right, so this downtrend, as we zoom in more, and we can explain this. I'll explain this move more. As this downtrend is no longer in effect, once price breaks this downtrend, once price, once price breaks this trend line, boom, you can see price goes all the way up to take profit 8. Once price breaks this trend line, as we're going over entries. So, we was in a nice downtrend. You could have gotten for great trade 1, great trade 2, trade 1, and sold this down. But you have to be extremely patient. As the market could do anything. I knew price was still probably in the uptrend, and we were still, price was just retesting back down before making continuing the overall direction of the trend, and we're still in the uptrend. Price was just retracing before going back in the overall direction of was take profit 8. And now we're probably in a downtrend. Um, as price is going, price I could see price going back down to take profit 7, take profit 6 now. But I could see prices going to take profit 8. I was like, okay, price is just going to retest back down to take profit 7 before going back to take profit 8. And it did exactly that. We was just retesting. It was just a retest. And we could have swung traded from grade 1, trade buy all the way up to take profit 8. So, price makes structure. Price will make structure, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. Allow price to make structure first. As it will break this move down more and more in our next video. As I just want to show you that, price is still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. This market can do anything. And, it was just up here November 16th, 2021 last year. It was just up to take profit 8. So that also gave us an indication. I have videos on that too. Price could potentially go to take profit 8 on so check them out too. They're up now, and price went all the way up to take profit 8, and boom, we're out this trade, this swung trade from 1821 all the way up to 1873. So you could have swung traded this if you just would have had waited a day or two and waited for price to make a higher low. You could have had swung traded this all the way up to take profit 8. All right, gang. So in our next video, we'll break this more down. All right, gang.